So make sure to like this video, and I will see you guys. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing something different. I'm going to give you guys kind of like a little try-on haul of some things that I've gotten at thrift stores lately, and it's a classy thrift store because, I mean, some of them are slightly bohemian, but most of them are classy, and I just enjoy like modest, classy clothes because I'm an old woman. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to put on an outfit. Everything from head to toe will be completely thrift store, and I'm going to number the outfits. So if you guys are interested in a certain outfit, just let me know the number. I can let you guys know the brand name of the clothes and where I got them at. And also, if you guys are interested in a beauty room slash YouTube slash closet tour, let me know, because I can also give you guys one of those. If I get 15 likes on this video, I know that seems like not a lot, but so if I get 15 likes on this video, I will do a beauty room tour for you guys. But I am also giving a shout out to my absolute best friend ever. She literally blew up overnight. She posted a video 2 days ago, and now she's gotten, I think, 1,500 subscribers. It's amazing. So Krystal Ryan has now 2,000 subscribers, and she is a freaking rock star. So Krystal, I'm so proud of you. I'm just like a mama bear over here. Super, super proud. So congratulations, and she deserves it. And if you guys don't know who Krystal Ryan is, she's amazing, and she's my best friend, so obviously she's amazing. And I'll link her channel below if you guys are interested in checking her out. But anyways, let's get on with me trying on clothes. By the way, I'm 5 feet tall. My body is proportionate to my size, so I have no butt and no boobs. So don't judge my flat butt, please. That's all I have. Alright you guys, that is all I have for this video. I have a lot more clothes, but I'm running out of light. This was one of my outfits. So here's the shirt. I guess I could show you real quick, but I'm almost out of light. So that's all for today's video. If you guys like this, let me know. If you guys want me to do more of these, let me know. I have so many thrift store clothes, it's not even funny. Here's the shirt, real quick. I didn't get to show it to you guys, but there's that. I feel like very scandalous. This is definitely a summer shirt. But anyways, that is all I have for today's video. I look naked. Hold on, let me scoot back a little so I don't. There we go. That's all I have for today's video, and remember, 15 likes and you get a beauty room tour, so make sure to like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!